Hi, in this video I'm going to show you something I actually took in part of myself and was actually really successful. We did a flash mob's a great way to promote dance events or dance styles or even dance studios. And I'm going to show you this one. So this was the Samba Day which was like Samba Gafurra. Now if you're not sure what Samba Gafurra is, I'm going to show you what we did. So first of all, with this video,
International Samba Flash Mob. This is a non-profitable event and open for everyone, even if you are absolute beginner, improver, or intermediate advanced, or even if you have never heard about Samba before, you can take part.
Yes, our mission with this, guys, is just to spread the love for Samba, inspire new dancers, teachers, and promoters all over the world.
And it did, it really did. You can see here what it's saying there. Look at some of the things. So you see this video had like 819 likes, 100 comments, 1,700 shares, and 47,000 views. So it definitely did spread the word. And what they did if we find the video, it's the one later on, they did like a routine. So here you go. So let's put that, move that away. So they show the dance moves here, as you can see here. There you go, so do all the steps, so everyone can learn the moves at home. You see everyone watched it, everyone liked the video. And then they did a video of like showing everyone where they dance Samba Gafurra. So and you can see Argentina, you can see, I'll find some other places for you. You can watch this video, I'll put the links for this video so you can see it. Brazil, France, all around the world. There was like 100 different countries did this Samba flash mob and re-promoted the dance so well. So there you go. So that's a way you can actually promote dance, make things go viral, do your own flash mob. What you need to do is get a fan page, start a fan page. Then once you've done the fan page, do a video describing what the flash mob's about, why people should do it. Then do some choreography and then ask everyone to submit the videos and hand them in and make a show reel of it. So it's been a really good video for you.